Do you know what? I feel like a whole new woman. There's literally no good choice. Sometimes the hardest part is getting going. My wet jacket's gonna go on, I'm gonna get cold. I mean, once I start walking, it'll be fine, but it's that psychological first couple of minutes, wet shoe, wet tent. The sooner you get walking, the sooner you get to Auckland, the sooner you get to your accommodation. Good morning. What is frustrating about the TA? It's beautifully signposted down there. You come up here and you come to a crossroads. Boom, boom, boom. There's no arrow. There's no sign saying which way you need to go. Therefore, you need to pull your phone out, get the GPS out, locate where you are, and then continue. So I've come out here. Do you carry on straight that way? Or would you try and stick that way to go closer to the coast? I don't know, because it's annoying to have to get my phone out again when it's pissing with rain to find out if I'm going in the right direction, because the signposts are rubbish. Woo, we've reached Devonport. Let's get the ferry to Auckland. Welcome to Auckland. I've decided to treat myself with a hamburger, a gourmet burger, because I feel as though I need all the food. That was honestly the most fantastic burger I've had. The egg was perfect, the cheese was perfect, the patty was cooked exactly how I like it. It was a gluten-free bun, there was lettuce and mayo. Do you know, I feel like a whole new woman. Done a little resupply just for tonight in case it got peckish. I've got this gorgeous little room here, a little balcony so I can dry my tent. This is the bathroom. Oh, I so need a shower. I need to sort my life out. They've got shampoo, conditioner, all of that good stuff. I've got towels. Oh, I'm so excited to get myself organised. Because everything was quite damp as well, I got everything hung up. So my sleeping bag, my jacket, all my dry sacks, my tent, had the heater on as well. So Zoleo are sponsoring the challenge. Here's my Anchor battery pack, my SD cards, plug, adapter, iPhone wire, watch charger, Zoleo charger, GoPro is here, GoPro charger. Let's get organised. All packed up, let's get back on the road and see how we do today. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Pack and save. I'm actually scared of how much money I'm probably going to spend. I'm not using the word budget, I'm trying to stick to a spending plan. But the problem is when you go into a shop, when you're hungry and you're just like, I need all the food. My budgeting didn't really work out that well, seeing as I spent 120 New Zealand dollars, and this is what I bought. It's basically like an Aldi in the UK, they just pack them high. Didn't think the cost savings were that special, to be honest. Like, yeah, a couple of quid here and there. I'm still averaging about $100, $120 per shop. I've got the gluten-free sourdough and super seeds, which I'm going to cover with basil pesto, and then some shredded roast chicken. Hello, beautiful. Oh, thoroughly enjoy this as a wrap. You are here, so we're going to walk all the way along here to Ambury Farm, Ambury Park. Sorry lambs, they're all going to run now. I feel awful. You're here, and we're going to follow this. Meow, 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 meow. This is like full-on construction traffic. I mean, at least I'm on the other side. So I just chatted with one of the workers and said, look, I'm really sorry, but where would you like me to walk? Where's best for you? And he's like, oh, well, you shouldn't really be walking here. But I was like, well, I just need to go to the top and turn left, which is this way. How the hell is this safe? I've got no idea. Because also, I should be on that side. To be honest, it's all just a shit show. No friggin' idea what is going on. Trying very hard not to complain, but that's where I'm meant to be going. Down this road? This is insane. Do I walk on the other side or this side? There's literally no good choice. So I've got 2 kilometers of this. I mean, I might even try and hitch 2k down here, because this is walking is ridiculous. This is just... like, no one talks to you about this, do they, when they mention the TA? It's now becoming very clear why this area is so difficult to find any accommodation, because it's just all industry. 36 kilometers, probably still got another 3k to go. It does start going dark at around 10 past 8, or the sun starts to set then. But I'm hoping by the time I get to this wooded area, it should be a good time for me to find somewhere to camp. I'm mentally visualizing the perfect camping spot. I feel as though we've left like the industrial area with the trucks and the traffic and the roads behind, and we're now by ponds with ducks and lakes and beautiful trees.